So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Naga guys. Naga tayo, Naga Bus Terminal. Nagkakagulo yung mga pasahero kaya lang hindi sa amin mga guys. Maraming pasahero sa Naga.
Next month.
Oh. Maraming pasahero hindi sa amin. So yun nga pala guys, no, nag-resume na yung mga barko na patawid ng Alin from Matnog. So lahat ng mga stranded, na pasahero, yon nakaano na sila. Posibleng nakatawid na ngayon yon sila. So dito si Amihan, nakapila dito si Amihan. Pinya Francia Raymond. Pasahero mga guys, Cubao, Sampaloc, Raymond. Or the Aircon with ZR Goldtrans version 12 ay nakikigulo dito sa Naga Terminal. So dito sa kabila nandito si si Grehan 18 Gs. So yun guys, nagdadagdag pa kami ng pasahero. Ano yung gulong namin mga guys? Flat yung gulong namin. May mayroong malaking tornilyo. Ano na ang hangin So pa kami ngayon. Lumapat pa. Si Alps. Parating si Alps pick up din ngayon dito si Alps mga ka-travels Ayan si Alps 7027. Yun. Papa-vulcanize pa kami mamaya guys. Kasi may tama yung gulong namin. Malaking tornilyo. So nagdadagdag pa kami ng pasahero dito kasi kulang pa yung pasahero namin. Lima pa ang kulang. Tapos vulcanize pa kami. Kasi DMMC kapila din si dito DMMC Bicol Magayon. Yun, medyo maraming pasahero sa Naga. Ayan DMMC si Nay, marami na Nay. Marami na nabili Nay. Shout out. Daming pasahero. R&B.
Itik ke bawah bang.
Yes, sir. Where are you going, sir?
Just gotta figure out. I'm not going tonight,
Okay, okay. Well,
but I just looking to see. I came up with a shitty bus, so I don't want to do that again. So do my research.
yeah.
Okay, this is okay. 2x2.
This is version 12, Higer version 12.
Yeah,
New bus.
yeah, it's okay.
Almost a month only.
Yeah,
That's very nice with ZR.
yeah,
Yeah,
that's okay.
that's a new model of Higer. Higer.
What's this? 1300 to get there?
No, what time we depart here?
No. What? How much? McCall?
How much? How much going to?
Is that all?
Going to?
No. When I go.
PITX?
PTIX.
Oh, PITX. How much?
1,000.
1,000 only, sir. With ZR, sir. Yeah. And the driver is, two driver is handsome.
Can you book online or do you book?
Yeah, there is a booking there. Can you call the booking
No,
officer?
it's okay. I'm not going to book yet. I don't know the
sir.
date. Is your office in there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
You can go there and
I'll figure out the time.
okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. My English is
Kausap ko na yung kanina. How much? 1,000. Too much. No.
Kadari na naman yung English ko doon nailabas naman, guys. Yun, guys.
Iris lang mo mang
Nagre-research yung nagkakanvas yung foreigner ng mga bus kung how much. Si Bicol Magayon, si Alp, si Superline, Del TV, Raymond, Piña Francia. Ay, pasay! Ayun na mga guys, kami ay paalis na mga guys. At kami ano pa guys? Goodbye na guys. Shoutout sa inyo. Salamat sa inyong panonood mga ka-travels. Dito tayo ngayon sa Naga.